I have been told by multiple local Malaysians that when they travel outside of their home country, it's the food they miss more than anything, even more than their family. Nasi Lemak, which literally translates to fatty rice, is one of the ultimate examples why. Near Dang Wangi LRT station in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, is a little heavenly food stall, a gem culinary contribution to the world, RA Nasi Lemak. To my overjoy, RA was set up as a welcoming self-service buffet, meaning self-control was hardly an option. Though I wanted to consume everything the popular eatery had on display, it would simply be impossible on a single plate, and so I chose as much as I could. It's called Nasi Lemak, and it's a coconut-infused steamed rice with a bunch of different toppings on top. I am ecstatic to start digging in here. First, I don't even know where to begin, but I got some squid, which is stewed in sambal, red chili curry, and a little bit of vegetables. I'm gonna try the squid first. It's a little bit sweet, spicy. That is exceptional. And then a stewed piece of chicken, Rendang, and it's stewed in coconut milk and some spices, and that's also on top of my rice. Grab a piece of the chicken, the sauce. That is approaching perfection on a plate. That was stunning. I don't even want to do anything for the rest of the day. I just want to relax and sip on tea.